Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior options and unwavering reliability? We'll take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch low-gloss granite crystal wheels, and Pirelli Performance all-season tires, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Only 11,681 miles on the odometer. Uconnect 4C with navigation, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Rear backup camera. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Lane departure warning plus parallel park assist with stop. 7 and 4-pin wiring harness Class 5 receiver hitch. 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5523.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.